Hi, my name is Alekhya, currently treated for achalasia cardia. Having difficulty swallowing for the past like 6 to 7 months. Food only after a few minutes of eating or very painfully having to swallow the food. I did go to a doctor, but they were not able to diagnose it properly. Then I had to go back to US and had a doctor visit there, but it didn't help much. So when I'm visiting India, I know doctor here, Kishore Alapati. Then I thought that maybe it's better to get it checked up again. But this time the experience was much different with the doctors. They immediately took up my case, and within few tests they were able to diagnose that I have achalasia cardia, which is narrowing of the sphincter between esophagus and the stomach, which is causing the issue for me to not being able to swallow. And he referred me to Dr. Jatin Yegurla. He did the manometry, which diagnosed the final issue with the EGJ outflow obstruction issue, and he was very clear on the diagnosis, and he suggested that we should go for endoscopic myotomy, which is an endoscopic procedure to cut the muscle to widen the narrow obstruction. So he said we have to do the POEM surgery, which is endoscopic myotomy. Explained me that it is a very minimally invasive procedure which would be done through endoscopy, and they will just cut the muscle to widen the gap. And he explained me very clearly that okay, this is the cause and this is how we can resolve it. And POEM is the most advanced way to resolve it with very minimally invasive procedure. There will be no scar, nothing, and you will be discharged the next day. I was a little bit skeptical at first, would it be this simple? But after undergoing the surgery, it was really that simple. It was very minimally invasive. I didn't even feel much pain after the procedure, and I was really discharged the next day. And from day 2 onwards, I was able to eat soft foods and everything. And the issue was resolved, which I've been struggling with last 6 months. Now I don't experience it anymore. Even though the recovery is, I'm still on the day 4 of the recovery, I can still eat normally, and last 6 months of pain, I don't have it anymore. And I really thank Dr. Jatin Yegurla. He really diagnosed it properly and had the surgery done within few days, and with no scar, with no pain, and with no hassle at all. So I really thank the whole team, was very supportive, and just thank you for doing these advanced surgeries with minimal pain or disruption to any other organs or body. And thank you so much Apollo Hospitals for enabling doctors to do this. And I thank Dr. Jatin Yegurla and Dr. Kishore Alapati and all of their team, and also Apollo Hospitals. I thank them very much.